Hello and welcome back to a special edition of Teacher Talks. Hey friends, listen, teachers take breaks too. One of you asked in a comment, what do teachers do over the holiday break? What do teachers do over the spring break and over summer? So I thought I'd make a special video here. Yes, we still do a lot of reading and writing in my household, but I thought I would show you guys what we've been up to these last 2 weeks, is how long my school is out for. And as a teacher, one of the fun things is I get a 2-week break as well. I don't have to go to work. Yay. So here's one of the things we've been doing. Along with loving our Dogman books, we've been flying our drones, Drone 1 and Drone 2, and my 8-year-old has been mastering how to fly them. And then we had a little bit of fun and we started connecting different things to the drones to sing, Will It Fly? So can the drone pick up these different items? One of the funnest ones is this toilet paper right here that we connected. We also connected some paper, and my daughter wanted us to connect our Dogman book to it. I don't know if we're gonna do that one or not. Maybe we'll try. You can let us know in the comments down below if you have any suggestions we can try to do. We even tried to pick up and flip a slipper, and that's right, I said flip because these drones right here actually flip and do like a 360 in the air. And some of these items right here, hint, hint, wink, wink, did actually go up in the air and flip. And they are so, so cool. So some of you are asking what I've been doing over this holiday break. That's it. We've been having fun with drones. Hey guys, I hope you appreciate this video. If you watch it till the very end, I'm going to put a playlist to our other channel where we can do some kind of fun stuff. And that playlist, we're going to do about 10 different videos. You can watch them all. And we're going to connect all of these different items here to our drones. We'll try to lift them up in the air and try to do some flips with them. I'll give you a little hint. About half of these items do fly. And by the way, the Dogman books we have not done yet. You can let us know if you want us to. They seem kind of heavy though. But about half these items did fly, and about half of these items even did a flip. So enjoy this video right now. We're gonna show you the video of the toilet paper getting connected and if it flips. And don't forget, check out the playlist at the end and you can see all the rest. Hey guys, if you like me putting in some of these fun videos along with my normal teaching ones, give me a thumbs up. And if you have any other suggestions about different things we could do and have fun with these drones, let me know in the comments below. And you better let me know real quick, because there's only a couple days of break left. And then it'll be time to work our tails off and get ready for our next break. Don't worry, spring break will be right around the corner. Hello and welcome back to another edition of Check It Out. Okay friends, we got a fun series that we're doing here. We are gonna do a series with our drone, our expert here, our 8-year-old expert's getting so good with his drone that we are going to do a little series that we're gonna call Will It Fly? All right now we've got about 4 feet connected to the bottom of our drone. What do you think, expert? Is this gonna fly?
Maybe, but it could get cut off.
Expert says maybe it'll fly, but it may get part of it chopped off in the propellers. All right, and I'm gonna say it flies, and that if it tries to do the 360 in the air, that is what's gonna cause it to crash. But otherwise, I say it works. All right, let's see it. Up and going. Oh. Oh, I'll tell you what, why don't you go fix it real quick? I'll do a little zone in, see if we can see what's going on down there.
So this propeller is caught.
Oh. All right, let's give it a second go. Oh, up and going, yeah! That is hilarious and awesome and cool. Oh my goodness, is it harder to control it? It's actually just as easy to control it, no kidding. All right, friends, I don't know if I recommend this one at home. We've bought a few of these drones now, so we're just kind of having fun with them. And if this one breaks, it's not a big deal because we have some backup ones. But anyway, I don't know if I recommend that you do this at home. I'd probably suggest that you don't. How cool is that? All right, the ultimate test. Can you do a flip with it? Oh, I don't know, friends. I don't know. No way! No way! I can't believe it. I can't believe it.
That was a front flip. Let's try it back.
No way! That is so stinking cool. I can't believe it. Oh my goodness gracious.
God, that is awesome. Oh my God, that's our greatest one yet. And
Wow.
one that can make it do a flip.
That is so cool.
If you watch the last video the first video we made, we put a piece of paper on it, and the corner got chopped off by a propeller.
Our expert's saying that we put a piece of paper, just a regular piece of like copy paper, and when we tried to do a flip with it, it worked, by the way, but when we tried to do a flip, the propeller sliced off a little bit of the paper. But I cannot believe the toilet paper is working, and I don't know, it doesn't seem like it's really causing you any issues there. Oh, just as I say that, look at that, it's like a feather coming down. Just as I say that, it looks like our drone. Let's see what's going on with that guy. Oh, man. All right, friends. Hey, thanks for tuning in. And by the way, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Look at the playlist. And what's a good name for this one? I'll tell you what. Look at the playlist, and we'll call it Drone Will It Fly? All right, Drone Will It Fly? Subscribe to the channel. Hit that playlist. And maybe we'll try to put up like 10 different objects and see if we can get them to fly. All right, guys, we'll catch you next time. And don't forget, we're going to put the information down in the description below on how you can purchase one of these awesome, amazing drones right here if you haven't gotten one yet. We also have some other videos on the basics of how to fly it. And obviously here, our expert to my left has gotten to the point where he is pretty darn good at this guy. All right, we'll see you next time.